I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your iMac. There are two primary methods to enjoy this popular mobile game on a larger screen. You can either use an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your computer, or you can mirror your iOS device's screen directly to your iMac. Both approaches offer unique benefits and considerations for a seamless gaming experience. Let's dive into the details of each method. Using an Android emulator is a fantastic way to play Brawl Stars. Popular options like BlueStacks or Nox Player allow you to download the game directly from the Google Play Store within the emulator. Installation is straightforward, typically taking less than 5 minutes. Once set up, you'll have full control using your keyboard and mouse, offering a precise and comfortable gaming experience that many players prefer over touch controls. It's like having an Android tablet on your desktop. If you're an iOS user, screen mirroring is another viable option. Tools like AirPlay or third-party applications can project your iPhone or iPad screen onto your iMac. While this method doesn't offer native keyboard and mouse controls for the game itself, it provides a larger visual display. You'll still interact with the game on your mobile device, but the action unfolds on your iMac's vibrant screen, perfect for sharing the gameplay with friends or for a more immersive viewing experience. To optimize your Brawl Stars experience, ensure your iMac has at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth emulator performance. Configure your emulator settings to allocate sufficient CPU cores, perhaps 4, for optimal gameplay. Map your keyboard and mouse controls carefully for precise movement and attacks. Consider using an external Bluetooth controller for a console-like feel. These adjustments will significantly enhance your responsiveness and overall enjoyment, making every match on your iMac truly epic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.